Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Learn with Emmanuel. If you are new here, this channel is all about simple learning and smart use of technology, especially AI tools that help students and teachers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for schoolwork. The video is meant for students, teachers, parents, and beginners who have never used AI before. I will explain everything step by step using simpler English. By the end of this video, you understand what ChatGPT does, how it is used for learning, how students can use it for the appropriately and responsibly. So let's begin. First of all, what's ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool. That means it is a small computer program that can answer questions, explain topic, help with writing, and help with learning. Think of it like a smart assistant or a digital teacher that is always available for you. It does not replace your it does not replace teachers, students. Instead, it supports your learning by making things easier to understand. For example, if a topic is too hard, ChatGPT can explain it simply. If you don't understand the lesson, ChatGPT can help you break it down or summarize it. That is why ChatGPT is very useful for schoolwork. Now I'm going to teach you how to open ChatGPT. You can open it using browser like Chrome or go into App Store or Google Play Store. So let's check it on Chrome. Or you go to Play Store. So ChatGPT is already downloaded. Let's go and log in. Log in. You first of all go to ChatGPT, press it, then you sign up. You can either use your Gmail or sign up with Google. Anyone. You see, once I log in, you will see a space. Look at the space where you can type your question, and this is where the magic begins. So, how to ask questions correctly? One thing many people don't know is that how you ask question matters. ChatGPT work best when your question is clear, simple, specific. Bad question is equal to bad answer, like explain science. But the good question is explain science in simple words for a primary school people. When you ask better questions, you get better answers. Always remember, ChatGPT is only as smart as the question you ask. Using ChatGPT to understand topics. Now let us talk about how students can use ChatGPT to understand difficult topic. Now let us type explain photosynthesis in simple word. See the way it gave me in a simpler word. Plants take sunlight from the sun. Trying to say that photosynthesis is when the plants take sunlight from the sun. Give me in a simpler word, just 5 words. If it's still hard for you, you don't still get the question. You can tell it to explain it like if you are a 10-year-old boy. Let's give it like so the way we brought it out in a very simpler English and simpler explanation. So let us use ChatGPT for schoolwork help. The ChatGPT can also help with homework, for example. Help me solve this math problem step by step. Say help me solve this math problem step by step. Let's go. Help. One important thing, students should not copy blindly. Instead, they should read the explanation, understand the topic step by step, learn from it, because ChatGPT is meant to teach, not to cheat. Doing ChatGPT for writing. ChatGPT is very useful for writing tasks. Students can use it for essays, letters, stories, composition, and so on. So let us tell it to help us write a short essay about our favorite teacher. You saw, you see it. It also brought the conclusion that you can make it shorter, longer, or about a different subject teacher. It's going to give a sample for every student. So students should read it, edit it, and add their own ideas. This improve writing skills over time. ChatGPT for teachers and parents. Teachers and parents can use ChatGPT to generate lesson ideas, create questions, explain topics differently. Parents can use it for helping their children with homework, understanding what children are learning in class, so on. So using ChatGPT responsibly. Now this part is very important. ChatGPT should be used responsibly. Students should not submit AI answers without understanding. They should not depend on AI completely. They should also use their brain. And students should think for themselves. Teachers and parents should guide children on the proper use of AI. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your thinking. So the final tip is that ask clear question, always double check answer, use ChatGPT to learn, not to cheat, practice what you learn, and if you use ChatGPT the right way, it will improve your learning greatly. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.